Hi guys, trust you all are doing well. I thought to show you what we have here. This is Tommy Hilfiger wristwatch. I'm just gonna open it and see what we have. This is Tommy Hilfiger. It has the Tommy Hilfiger logo in there. It's a mixture color of rose gold and silver. It displays the date, so you don't always have to run back to your calendar or to check the date. It has the date. This is analog. Is the display type is analog, so it comes in different colors. So it all boils down to your preference, your choice. Choose a color you want, and you can see by the side there the settings for both the date and the time. If you happen to be in a different time zone and it comes with a different time, so you have to set it to your own country time zone. Look at the design just there by the side. It makes it more beautiful. This is perfect for birthday present, Christmas present, Valentine present. It is very nice. Clasp is just there. Put on your wrist and tighten it. Okay guys, just thought to share with you. I highly recommend. Cheers guys.